Hello students, we are going to complete the remaining part of epithelial tissue in this video. So you know four types of simple epithelial tissues are present: squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal, columnar and ciliated. But if this tissue, so it becomes secretory. सपोज कर लो कि ये मेरे हाथ में ये एक ग्लैंड बन गई, इसकी जो लाइनिंग है एपिथेलियल टिश्यू से है, इट हैज स्टार्टेड व्हाट सिक्रीशन, सिक्रेटिंग समथिंग, so then it will be called a gland. What is a gland? A gland is a special tissue which secretes something, but actually it is epithelial tissue. There are so many bases to classify glands. One basis of classification of glands is depending upon the number of the cells which are forming the cell, the gland. Some glands are formed of only one cell only. So then it is unicellular gland. It's made up of so many cells. It is called multicellular gland. Example of unicellular glands is goblet cells which secrete mucus in the lining of stomach and intestine. So singly salivary glands which secrete saliva in our buccal cavity. They are examples of multicellular glands. Prostate glands, so they are mammary glands. They are multicellular glands. They are secreting their secretion through the activity of so many cells. Now, another method of classification of these glands is how do these glandular tissues, they pour their secretion. So this is epithelial tissue which is forming a gland. So it's pouring its secretion very sincerely to the site of its requirement, or maybe it poured somewhere else, but it has got a duct. So it delivers its secretion through its duct. So it is called exocrine gland. Examples are liver, prostate and endocrine glands. You know, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid. So they are such types of gland, pancreas. They are such types of glands which pour their secretion around their connective tissue. Blood comes, collects and take it to the site of its action. So these glands are called endocrine glands, and they are also called glands with duct. Ductless glands, they don't have duct to pour their secretion. They take help of blood and this lymphatic system to deliver their secretion. That is why their secretions are called hormones. They are delivered by blood or this lymphatic drainage. Pancreas, not written in your book, it is heterocrine gland. अब pancreas में कुछ cells के bunches ऐसे हैं which pour their secretion, so it behaves as exocrine gland. Some cells, islets of Langerhans, beta cells, alpha cells which secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, so they are those patches of cells which behave as endocrine glands. So that is why pancreas is called mixed या heterocrine gland. So two bases are different to classify. Another basis of classification of endocrine glands is nature of the secretion. क्या वो secretion चिपचिपा है, भिंडी की लेस की तरह, म्यूकोइड ग्लैंड्स, पानी नुमा है, सीरस, सीरम जैसा है, एल्ब्यूमिनॉइड है, और मिक्स्ड है तो उसकी डबल ने दोनों नेचर हैं. इसका कुछ पार्ट क्या है, म्यूकोइड है, कुछ पार्ट क्या है, एल्ब्यूनॉइड है, पानी नुमा है, और ऐसे एक और भी बेसिस है क्लासिफिकेशन का इन ग्लैंड्स को क्लासिफाई करने का कि इसके सिक्रीटरी यूनिट की कैसी नेचर है। ये ग्लैंड है, ये टिश्यू है, ये कपड़ा है। आपने इसको ऐसे ग्लैंड बनाने वक्त ऐसे फोल्ड किया है ट्यूबुलर, या ऐसे किया है फ्लास्क शेप्ड एल्वियोलर, या मटके की तरह इट इज सेक्युलर। तो अगर इसका सिक्रीटरी यूनिट इस तरह की शेप से है, क्योंकि तुम्हें बाद में कहीं कहीं ये वर्ड्स मिलेंगे, भले कि टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं लिखे हुए। सो दिस इज ट्यूबुलर, secreting unit is having which type of which shape? Tubular, tubulite, tubular. Now this is secular, alveolar. This is shape is alveolar. So this way the shapes के basis पे भी glands को क्या है? They are classified. Simple alveolar, compound alveolar वो तो उसकी further उसकी classification होती है। उसी तरह से इसका सिक्रीशन करने के वक्त ये कैसे अपने क्या ये ग्लैंड फट जाती है, खत्म हो जाती है। पांचवा बेसिस और भी है एक, मोड ऑफ डिलीवरिंग इट्स सिक्रीशन, एपोक्राइन, होलोक्राइन, मीरोक्राइन। एपोक्राइन में ऊपर वाले हिस्से में ही अपना सिक्रीशन क्या है, सेल अपने ऊपर वाले हिस्से में अपना सिक्रीशन डिपॉजिट कर देता है। होलोक्राइन में सारा सेल बस्ट कर जाता है इसका सिक्रीशन। एंड मीरोक्राइन में, सो एपोक्राइन we will find in some differentials, apocrine,
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणश